The policy makes a mockery of the citizenship provisions of the Good Friday Agreement, undermining trust in the peace agreement and causing tension among communities. Emma and Jake, as we know, were successful in challenging the Home Office decision at the first-tier tribunal. The Home Office chose to appeal this to the upper tribunal, and in the recent decision, the upper tribunal overturned the first-tier tribunal decision, upholding the original Home Office decision. In their appeal, the UK Government advocated a reinterpretation of the citizenship provisions of the Good Friday Agreement, which is not in good faith in accordance with the ordinary meaning of the terms of the Good Friday Agreement as a treaty. The UK, downplaying the duty on both states to accept Northern Ireland-born persons as Irish or British or both, instead sought to reinvent the provision as one separating the concept of identity from the legal bond of citizenship. The UK Government argued that the provision of dual nationality and the option of renouncing British citizenship equate to compliance with the Good Friday Agreement. The doctrine of parliamentary sovereignty and the duality approach means that on signing the British-Irish Agreement, the UK should have then legislated to bring its nationality law in line with the Good Friday Agreement citizenship provisions. The UK failed to do this, resulting in the citizenship provisions not being directly enforceable in the domestic courts. Emma and Jake face an uphill battle overcoming this through UK courts, and the process of litigation also carries huge personal and financial burdens for both of them. The need for action beyond the courts is becoming increasingly clear. D'Souza has highlighted the need for urgent legislative reform of the British Nationality Act to give effect to the Good Friday Agreement. The Northern Irish Human Rights Commission has recommended that the British Nationality Act is amended to reflect the birthright provisions, and I believe they have commissioned a report on this, which should be published soon. In the meantime, the Home Office could amend their policy to allow for Northern Irish-born Irish citizens to assert their right to Irish citizenship only in line with the Good Friday Agreement. We know they can do this because this was their policy prior to 2012.